All right, Cesar, let's get started. GitHub
All right.
Copilot. So I just got access to it today. A bunch of people did. I think today was when they were sending out the invites. So let's just do like a first time experience, raw. I only thing I did is install the extension, and read their marketing site. Actually, let's go look at their marketing site real quick.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
Yeah, let's just do share Chrome tab. That's what I'm doing, right? Share this. Cool. You see my screen?
Yep, I can.
All right. So Microsoft's been doing this for a while. They're branding it now GitHub Copilot, which makes a lot of sense. It's like anything developer related is now under the GitHub brand. It seems probably pretty smart actually to do that.
Yeah, if you think about it, like Codespaces, it's basically running VMs on Azure Cloud, but they make it look like it's part of GitHub, which is it's nice that they can do that exchange on branding, and for some reason we all like it so much. So this is just yet another example of that. Okay, makes sense.
Right, yeah. So the idea here, it's built on OpenAI, and as some of their like base models, and they build on top of it, I guess, or they train on top of it. But what's cool is there's a couple different ways on this marketing site, which by the way is a gorgeous site. You can write code comments and it'll kind of figure out what you're trying to say, and it'll write a function for what you're trying to say. Or you can write a function, and based on the name and the parameters, it'll try to figure out what you're trying to do and then fill the body up. At least according to this website, that's what they do. It looks pretty
okay. Cool. So this is more, I guess this is saving you a bunch of different searches for the best answer on Stack Overflow. Right?
Yeah. This is intelligent Stack Overflow for sure.
Yeah, because it's not going to give you an architecture for your React app or your web service. It's going to be more like on a function by function basis, which means
we should try that. We should build me a Kubernetes stack and just like list all the services you want.
/ make me rich. Thank you.
Make me rich. I want that. When are they going to train that model? Oh man!
Like, here's your backend, here's your front end, here's the idea, here's how much you're going to charge, and then you're good to go, my friend. And this is all the technical preview.
Oh man!
All right. So, how do you install it? Tell me.
It's just VS Code plugin. You just go to VS Code extension thing and install it, and it's ready to go. You got to go to that website I was just on and then click sign up for the beta. But as soon as you do that, you'll get in a day or two. I mean, at least that's what happened with me. And then you install that extension, log into GitHub, and you're good to go. So let me share my screen. Let's do window, test mobile.
Okay, so basically you have it enabled, and we're going to try out some of their examples, and then we're going to try some of our examples. Not as crazy as Make Me Rich, but hopefully a little bit more difficult than what they are proposing.
Dude, hold on. Let's just do it. Make me rich. Oh, well, I hope I spelled right. Oh, look, there's an exclamation mark. Thank you for that. Make me rich, baby. Okay, let's see. What does it do? Anything? No. Hold on. Write a function that makes me rich. Oh man, doggone it. What's with me? It's midnight. That's why I can't. It makes me poor. Wait, what? That's awesome. Hold on. Write a function that makes me happy. This is great. All right. Okay. I gotta get serious now. That's hilarious. All right, I'm going to use some of their examples first before I go off the reservation. Although I feel like I'm already off the reservation. All right, so I'm reading an example here. It says calculate days between dates beginning and end. Okay, so function calculate days between dates, beginning, end, and then you close it. Ooh, look at that.
Okay, so you press what, tab?
Yeah, I hit tab. Oh, it didn't indent it.
Yeah, Copilot, you are fired. You're not following.
I quit. I can't handle it. calculate. Okay, that's cool. Between the math. Wait, what's it's rounding? Okay, end minus beginning. Oh, okay. So it's assuming that it's not doing a type here, but it's assuming these are numbers already, not dates. Right?
Okay. Yeah. Doesn't seem, yeah. I guess it assumes that you're sending timestamps, maybe.
Yeah, like epoch time or something. Yeah.
Beginning, any, and any. What if you change beginning to just begin?
To what?
Begin. I think that's what the sample says, as opposed to beginning.
Okay, I'll try that. Ooh. Begin.
And end.
End. Oh.
Okay.
It's just it's just same thing though, right? It's expecting epoch time. I mean, that's fine. That makes sense. That's cool though. What if you started to let's do yeah, there you go. Date 1, date 2 works. Write your code here. Okay, thanks for that.
Date 1 and date 2. I wouldn't probably name. I guess call it begin date, maybe. Or there you go.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. That's it. Now it expects 2 dates. So if I did calculate between dates, there you go. Oh man, look at that. Yep, that's exactly what I was. Okay, so then if I extract this, that's cool.
Okay, that's a very random date.
Yeah. I mean, maybe that's when this model was trained.
Yeah, January 1st, 2015. Okay, so you want to see if it infers that you already have a date in that context?
Whoa, what the heck? Look at that. That was cool. Did you see that?
Yeah, I did.
All right, so let's do this. I'm gonna calculate dates.
There you go.
Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Huh. So this is like autocomplete on steroids.
Yeah, it's saving you a bunch of Stack Overflows, and I'm pretty sure this is an opinionated answer. Do you have other available variations of this function available? I think I saw something on the website.
Let me go to the website.
Kind of like get a different option on how to do these functions.
Yeah. It says alternate suggestions, option brackets. Okay, that sounds cool. So let me delete this.
Okay.
How do I get my cool function? Oh, there you go. Yeah, option brackets. Look at that. It's funny that one of them is write your code here. 1 day divided by 1 day. Okay, I see.
Math round.
They look.
As you can all, yeah, I'm pretty sure non-JavaScript developers are going to be having a lot of fun with this precision.
Yeah, right.
Precision-less function.
But yeah, the doc's right. You can command bracket left and right to thumb through options. That's pretty cool. Oh, and you can mouse over, it says. So let's do that. Oh, there you go. So you can there. Okay. Previous. Open Copilot. Oh, hold on. Let me zoom out here. Zoom. It's probably small, but at least you can see.
So this is giving you kind of like a debug version of what it is presenting to you, right? I guess.
Yeah, like all the different options, different days. Huh, that's cool.
That's cool. Yeah.
So interesting. All right, let me
zoom back in.
Yeah. Is that better?
Like to see. Yeah, that's good.
All right, what else did I say? Get more suggestions. So clear the file, blah, blah, blah. Oh, yeah. Okay, Control Enter opens that GitHub Copilot thing that we just saw as a shortcut.
Okay.
Generating code from a comment. Okay, let's try that.
So that's natural language processing, I guess?
Yeah.
NLP?
Yeah. I guess, is it the OpenAI stuff's using GPT-3? Is that what they're doing?
I think that's the latest iteration. So yeah, it's probably using that.
All right, so let's try it. Let's do like okay, we're in JavaScript. Let's do like get all images and add a red border around them. Okay, yep, that's correct. Now what? Okay, loop through them.
So you're pressing tab every time.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. There's like, yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Wow, look at that. That's kind of cool.
Huh.
What? That's okay. That's just crazy. Hold on. Let's do this again. Around them. I'm gonna hit enter. What's the options? Option this. No, there is no other options. So was it control enter? Is that what it said? Control enter.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
So it already has. Wow.
Dude, that's crazy. All right, and I just randomly picked red borders. So let's do like get all images and add a box shadow around them, right?
Yep.
jQuery. What?
Hey.
Oh, there we go. Oh, I was triggered there for a second. Hold on, let's do that. Let's see all the options.
It just works.
It does. Look at that. Look at the box shadow.
Wow.
Well, what's this language thing? Oh, interesting. CSS language. Get all images and add a box shadow around them. Huh. HTML. Oh, it's like a whole template. It builds out a whole template for you. Oh, look at this. There's a result. What? Style kit master. No. No way. Where's this from? Hold on. I got to go to this. Oh, it's a file not found. Interesting.
Huh.
I mean, there it is, though. That's pretty impressive. Where's the jQuery one?
So I think I don't know if it's going to give you the entire suggestion. I think what it is doing is, based on what you're asking, it's creating a simple template of what that HTML and CSS will look like. And then it will generate the code back from it, right? So it's doing both trips.
Look at that. There it is right there.
No jQuery. This is not 2005.
It is now, man. Github Copilot. My Copilot's old school. That's cool though, man. Okay. All right. So that was one of their examples they said to do. So what else we got? We got that. We got.
What if you use generate a paragraph with the random text? See what it does.
Generate a paragraph with random text. Okay. Oh.
Ooh.
Okay. The quick prompt function jumps over. Oh, that's awesome. It just randomly picks words. Word random. Length. Word.
Okay.
Wow.
So I guess because we asked it on the context of JavaScript, it just gave us a function. Generate a paragraph with random text.
Oh, you mean like what happens if I'm in HTML?
Or like if you write something below that and you say, use that function in a div element or something like that.
Use
generate paragraph function to generate random.
Use generate paragraph. So what do you want me to say?
And render a div element, maybe.
And place results in a div. You mean like something like that? There's no way. There's no way that's going to work.
Use generated paragraph. Nope.
Yeah, it's not going to.
Okay, so it's not context aware of HTML yet.
Maybe, yeah. That's a pretty brilliant idea, though, huh?
Well, and the thing is, who builds code like that, right? There's not really. It's not a real use case, I guess.
Yeah. Fair enough, right? So why would it be trained that way? Okay, so object one and Oh my word! Look at that. It knew his object too. That's kind of cool. All right, and then I want to be like merge to objects.
Objects.
That's amazing. That is really, really cool. Huh.
And you already learn how you name all your variables. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Right. I also like how it used object assign. Although I'm sure it would probably use jQuery if I tried it again, but whatever. That was cool. What about, like, does it know what the difference between merge and deep merge is? Deep merge to objects. Huh. Interesting. Okay, what are my options? That one, that one, that one. Right, pretty much the same.
Yeah. Changes the variable name and...
Right. Oh, interesting. Somewhere I saw like you can build out a list and then it fills it out or something. So where's that at? So let's do states. Okay, an array. So you're gonna states, Florida,
California, please.
Spell.
And Wyoming. Let's try to.
It's not doing that. So where I saw that somewhere though, that it like built this list out.
What if you just put it in a comment, like a natural language kind of thing, like build an array
of states. Okay.
You got to do one by one.
I don't know. So I saw it somewhere. I swear I saw it. Or it was on their website.
List of U.S. states. Maybe you need to give it more context. Maybe.
Yeah. It's called autofill. Feed a few examples and let it generate the rest. Okay. So markers. Oh, I see. Okay. So if I did like states, you know what? Like Florida. This is a terrible object, but whatever. Florida. True. California. False. There you go. There you go. Okay.
Texas, Washington, Oregon, Massachusetts.
That's awesome. That's really cool. Oh, look though. It's not proper syntax. Like you'd have to like do this.
Yeah.
You see what it's doing?
But I guess you're doing it because it's an object, and yeah, it should be smart enough to make sure that it is a valid object. But if you do an array as opposed to an object, maybe it will fill it out, or no?
So like an array of objects, you mean? So like
an array of strings, maybe.
Okay. So and then like Florida, that's what I tried earlier. It didn't do anything. Georgia. Wait.
You go.
No, I was wrong. Okay. Man, that's so interesting. Okay, that's cool. What else we got?
Array of objects.
What about converting? What if I had like? Okay. Hold on a second. Let's do this. Convert states array to a set of objects. Yeah. That. Okay.
Name, abbreviation.
Oh, this must be something else. I mean, that's right. Yeah, state abbreviations. Oh, wow. It just abbreviated it. Okay.
How does... well, I guess that's not true, right? Because North Carolina is not going to be NO. It's going to be NC, right?
Yeah. I mean, it's not... This, you wouldn't want to use this. But it's funny that it tried to like intelligently add things for you. Huh.
Mm-hmm.
This is crazy.
So why is it trying to do? 'Cause technically, that's giving you another like an array of objects. Oh, because you specifically asked for a set of objects.
That's awesome. Oh, okay. All right.
Kali
So
set.
the end of the world happens when the computer decides to filter out the world.
Part of it.
Oh my word. That's amazing.
Well, so how much of the regular data set is like the OpenAI models is using? Like say, get an array or make an array of the most popular cars or destinations or like something generic and just try to get some samples. There you go.
Okay.
It repeated Ferrari twice and Lamborghini.
Yeah, Mercedes. It's a bunch of it's repeated several times. Yeah.
Okay, so next comment put remove duplicates.
Ooh, remove dupes. Oh no, don't do that. Dupes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Huh.
So return.
Yeah. I mean, that's
an
right.
array.
That's right. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It's crazy. What if you do only filter cars that start with F? Okay. What? This is crazy.
Wait, not only it catch that or it caught that you had a typo on cars because you had cards.
Yeah, you're right. I did. Yeah.
And then add filter cars that start with F regardless of case, I guess, uppercase versus lowercase. Like how does like 'cause right now it is going specifically to capital F.
Right. So you're saying with F case insensitive.
Sensitive.
So like do the same thing, but to lowercase. There you go.
Yeah. Okay. Not bad.
Oh my goodness, dude. This is crazy.
I love the naming convention for the variable. Cars is starting with F.
And that's great.
Okay.
So you know what? They said on their website this is great for learning frameworks and stuff. So I can totally see the end languages. I can see that because you're not quite sure how language works. So you would type something like that, it would fill it out, and you'd at least get some semblance of like, okay, this is in the right direction.
So frameworks, you mean like React or like using?
Well, yeah, React or also just languages. Like if I was learning Python.
That makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right. So this is plain JavaScript, right? Or can it build code regarding something like Node? Like, for example, I don't know, build an API that takes two numbers and returns
build an Express API that
receives
a number and returns a string. Like just something stupid like that. Okay, whatever that means. Representing the word. What are you talking about? Build an Express API that receives a number. Let's just do that. Dude, what in the world does that mean? All right. I don't know what that means.
And returns a square
API on port 3000. What happens if I do that? Okay. 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 Socket.io. Oh, we're going to include that, are we?
Port.
Start server. What happens? Nope. Incorrect. Start Express server. I mean, that's the API, but it's kind of cool. What's the options? I don't have any options. Okay.
Just keep adding it. Maybe it does the get, and then it will give you the listen, start server. HTTP listen.
I guess
start Express server. Is that it?
Yeah, but that's not how you start it, though, right? Because no, that's right. Because this is okay. That's right. Because look, you're passing the Express app to it. So this is it. This is like the newer way, quote unquote newer way. That like it's still years old, but okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let's do accept solution. So look, it built out an API. It started at error. I don't know why it wants
socket
IO, but I mean that's cool. All right, so that's cool. What about Express API get with 2 parameters? Oh, fancy.
Express API.
Okay, so if I did Express API 2 parameters, last name and first name. Okay. Huh.
Okay. Try to say Express API. How do we force it to be a post API? Like a username and password.
Express API post with username and password.
In the body, I guess.
This is really funny. Yeah, you're right. It's a post, but you still take the username and password in the. That's great. Okay, so a post with username and body. That's fair enough. Nope.
Nope.
Access denied. Actually, wait. Hold on. Let's see what the options are. There you go.
Login. Okay.
Funny that it. Oh, there you go.
Oh, yeah, it's there.
I didn't name the API route, so it named it login. Huh. Wow. What if I did like add express middleware to all routes? Like, what's it gonna do? Oh my word! Are you kidding me? Come on, this is crazy.
And we're out of a job.
wait. All right, I got to expand on this. Okay. Add express. Wow, I can't. Express middleware to all routes that removes what? What do I need to like this? What's the use case?
What are you trying to say?
Actually, expert to all routes that checks if user is logged in. Look, it already filled it out. Okay, well, that's not all middleware, but that's fine. Oh, user. Otherwise, not logged in. That's so funny. Huh. Curious. Huh.
Okay, so it knows Express. Can we try a React component or something like that? Maybe?
Yeah. So will this work in a JavaScript file? Do I need a JSX file? Well, let's try it. React component with a button. Ew, gross. All right, hold on. Let's see what other the options.
Create class.
Oof, there's a gazillion options. It's all React create class. But it's probably because this is a JavaScript file.
Yeah.
So let's do a new one. I'll save it as test.jsx. And then I'll say React component. Well, help if I could spell component with button that manages state. It calls a function when clicked. Okay, I can do that. That's cool. Do that. Just baby steps. Okay. Oop, stupid. It really likes the React class thing, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There you go. All right. Well, one of the ones, all right, let's do this. React hook that, see, holds a counter. I don't know. Nope, that's not what I want. I mean, it's building a counter is what it's doing. It's not what I want, but that's crazy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see it.
This is a React hook. What? It is? Huh. Yeah, it's so crazy.
Wow.
React hook. I just, oh, don't do that.
Try to do more options there, or geolocation.
Yeah, I just want to see if it like, because there's like use location hooks and stuff, you know? Oh my word, it's loading tons of stuff. It's like a whole test suite.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure in like 5 minutes you're gonna get an error saying, "Hey, Rick, you are abusing your own beta license. Stop doing that."
These are like testing hooks. It thinks I'm trying to write jest hooks. Is what it's doing. So React functional component with counter. No, you don't get that.
Why would you want that?
All right, so the React stuff's eh.
Yeah, it's still early. Beta.
What about like React Native Vue? Okay. Oh my. Is it gonna
wow.
like?
Yeah.
Is there a way to like short circuit this to do like? I guess the only way to do that is to see what their solutions are going to be. Oh my word. Loading. There we go.
Welcome to React Native.
This is what it was doing. These are just like code snippets, kind of like what it feels like, you know?
Yeah. So React Native, Firebase. Will it know about Firebase?
Query a Firebase collection where ID is 1.
New Firebase collection test where ID is 1. Yeah.
I mean, that's right. Huh.
It's not wrong.
Right.
Like that, but yeah.
Save Firebase storage file to bucket. I don't know. That's like a terrible. Okay, there's the storage. There's a reference to the storage. There's the file.
Storage file put new blob. Okay, to explain.
Huh.
That's it.
So it's interesting that in other cases I was typing it, it was creating a function, but in this case it's not. Okay, so a function that saves Firebase blah blah blah. Okay, yeah. If you okay. Oh, there you go. Wow. Okay.
Returns the file's URL. Okay, it's technically not returning it, right?
No, it's not returning it anywhere.
It's just printing it, but
You want to do this, right? Actually, no, because this is what you want. You want this thing.
mm-hmm.
It's still pretty impressive. I mean, that's Firebase.
Yeah.
Firebase is super
Specific.
well used everywhere, but it's still
it's very specific, right?
It is. It's a very specific framework. So that makes me wonder what else there is. Like, surely it's not like create a redwood route. I mean, that's not gonna. Okay. Oh. Dude. I mean, I'm just genuinely impressed.
Yeah, it's as you said, it's a good guideline. Like, how do I create this? How do I do that? And it gives you something. It might not be the best solution, but when you're building something for the first time, you don't know better. This will save you literally dozens of Stack Overflow requests.
So interesting. So, but how far does this go? Like, okay, what's that infrastructure code startup that everybody uses?
Pulumi?
Yeah, thanks. So Pulumi function to spin up S3 bucket. No way. Come on.
Name, region, access key, access secret.
Okay, this isn't Pulumi. This is specific to the S3 thing, but still, that's cool.
Yeah, this is the AWS package, I guess, right?
Yeah. So, but okay, so Pulumi, what's something that you would Pulumi is a tool for build? Yes, it is. That's correct.
Congratulations, Copilot.
Congratulations, Pulumi. You are now in a model somewhere that associated with that tool. Oh man, that just cracks me up. Wait, what happens if I hit enter? Nothing. It's like their marketing page. I'm putting. I love it. Okay, so okay, let me go to Pulumi real quick. Pulumi, like a hook or something, for.
Generate the EC2 instance, for example, or what? What are you looking for?
Yeah, that works. Yeah, let's do something like that. I was thinking more like with the Lambda stuff, but let's do that. So generate EC2. Wow.
Be more maybe explicit. We say use Pulumi to generate the EC2 instance. Maybe it doesn't really. An EC2 instance. Okay.
Oh, this is. Oh, this is too much fun. Oh.
Use number 12. EC2 instance with tags and tags and tags and tags and tags.
But wait. Okay, so let's look at the preview here. Is it literally that? Hold on. It's going to explode. My computer's going to blow up.
Generate an HTTP server.
It's exports. Yeah.
Pulumi resource instance. There you go.
Yeah. So do create a Pulumi. Yeah, I can't spell. Here we go. Is this YAML? That's what this is?
I guess so.
Language. Okay. What else? Anything else? Or I think we've kind of covered most of it, huh?
I think this is good. This is a good 30-minute walkthrough. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like on one side it will be good to explore some things,
Right.
like a playground kind of thing, but I don't see it in a real application, right? Not yet, at least.
Well, yeah, I don't think you would use it. Like none of these code snippets you would use for production. You would just use them for like, oh yeah, right, that's how you do that, or oh, that's how you.
Yeah, like some very complex CSS properties or things like that, or some animations. I think that would be very nice to say, hey, how do I do an easy in and out animation or things like that, maybe.
Right. So, well, let's use. Okay, so this is an actual React app. Hold on, let me reset my. So this is a React Native app for fish rolls. So, like, if I wanted to status bar, would it do it? I don't think it would, right? Huh. I mean, okay. That's right, huh? Show map component. I mean, this is literally. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Yeah, this is the map component. Oh man, this is so cool. Okay, so this is an actual project here. So what if I did like use effect that will update the selected coordinates when the map is moved? Okay, so this is
wow.
Okay, what?
Use effect if selected coordinates navigation.
It's trying to figure out where it's supposed to go. So it's actually reading my code right now and inferring things. Okay. Wait, what? Why is it running the return thing? No, stop that. Don't do that. Okay. So selected coordinates is
A variable.
Yeah, it's the actual selected coordinates that when you push something on the map with your finger. It's funny though that it's trying to destructure it the wrong way.
Or maybe you structure it the wrong way and it's telling you how to do it.
Right. Selected coordinates it's an array of numbers. So it's just latitude, longitude. See, that's the type. So that's wrong. It's right, but it's wrong. It's cool that it's trying to destructure it.
I guess it's inferring that you will like define coordinates as an object and not as an array of numbers, right?
Yeah. The other thing is this doesn't match. This is saying go to this screen with these coordinates, which is, you know, what's crazy, Cesar, is we do that. Like we go to this screen and we pass in the latitude and longitude, which is really cool. Now that doesn't match what this says. This says updates the selected coordinates when the map is moved. So that's completely different than what's going on here. But it's interesting that it's inferring that, huh? Wow, I'm impressed.
Yeah, I mean, this is where 2021 gets us so far.
Yeah, right. Wow, that's crazy.
I mean, we know it's not impossible, but just the amount of processing power that you require to ingest your own code, send it over, and get some, like, take also the whole context of the framework that you're using, in this case, React Native, and then coming back with a suggestion, even if it's as nonsense as this one is. Wow.
And it's cool. How long have we been playing with this? This has been what, an hour? I don't know how long we've been doing this. Man,
45 minutes and counting. Yeah.
All right. Well, I have it installed now, and I got some development to do tomorrow. So I will. I'll try it out because actually I'm using Prisma for some like Postgres structural things. So we'll see how that works.
Okay. Make some notes. We should definitely record the podcast episode with this, and I guess we'll be back soon.
Yeah, cool. All right. Well, thanks, Cesar. I appreciate it.
All right. Thank you. This was great.
Yeah.